A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine at your home. In today's session, after PT1 examination, we are going to start with chapter 3, that is computer hardware. And computer hardware, it is your typography 11th grade chapter 3rd, in which we will discuss about input device, output devices, storage devices, and different type of ports and connectors. So let's start with your session. So first topic, what is hardware? Basically, hardware, it is a piece of equipment. It means it is a piece of devices. And the major advantage, it can be touch. It allows information to enter and retrieve. And it is a physical device. And the major thing, it can be repaired also. And it could be as a external device or it can be either as a internal device. Like the example is mouse is your external device as a hardware and hard disk is your internal device in your computer system as a hardware. Now after learning this topic, after reading this chapter, you will be able to identify the hardware devices, usage of storage devices, functions of input devices, usage of output devices, and how to connect the different devices with a computer system. So first topic, storage devices. Basically, it is used to store the information. And storage devices can be categorized in two categories. First one is primary and second one is secondary storage device. So in primary storage device, we are having two types of devices, RAM and ROM device. While in secondary storage, we are having a number of devices like hard disk, floppy disk, optical disk and optical card. In optical disk, we are having three parts like CD-ROM, CDR and CDRW. And in optical card, we are having Blu-ray, pen drive and memory card. So what is primary memory? Basically, primary memory performs the four functions. First function, input and output operations. Second function, manipulation of text and calculation operations. And third one is logical or comparison operation. And fourth one is storing the data, it means storage, and retrieval, it means find out the operation. Now what is RAM? The major thing RAM is a volatile memory. It means if power failure is there, your data will be lost. It need not know any special circuit to retail the storage of data. And it is a higher speed circuit memory and it can store data on a temporary mode. The data is not a permanent. And ROM it retains data when power supply is off and it is a non-volatile device in nature. And ROM chips can only read data, it cannot write. And it doesn't accept any data from user and it can be of three types like PROM, EPROM and EPROM. And next part is secondary memory. Secondary memory, it is also known as a non-volatile memory. It means data will be permanently stored if power failure is there. And it is used to store large amount of data for a longer time. And it store data permanently and it is used to backup or copying of data. Next part is hard disk. Basically, hard disk can be of two types. It can be a fixed memory or it can be a flexible memory also. Generally, it is fixed inside your computer system and it is made up of aluminium material and the size of hard disk it can be either 3.5 inch, otherwise it can be 5.25 inch or 2.5 inch. It is available in different type of capacities like it starts from 520 kb, afterward 720, afterward 1.44 MB and maximum size it can store 2.88 MB data. Sorry, it is the size of floppy disk and hard disk it can be like in GB, it can be in TB and it can be in PB also. TB means terabyte, PB means petabyte and GB means gigabyte. A user can take the hard disk according to their requirement as per the storage of data. And basically hard disk use the rounded platters that can store data and its capacity can be measured in gigabytes and terabytes. Floppy disk recently you discussed, floppy disk size is 3.5 inch. It is coated with plastic layer from both sides, and it is a metal disc inside the plastic layer, and the maximum storage capacity, that is 1.44 MB. By mistake I have discussed in previous part, that is the concept of floppy disk. The size is 3.5 MB and the maximum storage capacity it is 1.44 MB, and if it is double sided then it can be 2.88 MB. Next is optical disk. Optical disk, it can store data in the form of highly concentrated beam of lights, and it can be of two types. Either it can be CD or DVD, that is known as optical laser disc, and it can be in the form of card like memory card or pen drive. CD-ROM, basically it is a plastic disc. The maximum capacity of CD is 700 MB approximately, and 700 MB means it can store approximately 2 lakh text pages. It means text type of data can store up to 2 lakh pages, and a user can read only from that CD-ROM. And CD-ROM can be used to hear the songs also. Next is CDR, RW and DVD. CDR means that is recordable CD, and RW means that is rewritable, that can be rewrite again and again, and it can be rewrite approximately 8 to 10 times. And DVD stands for digital versatile disc. It is similar to CD, but the difference is its capacity. CD is having a capacity of 700 MB, while DVD is having a capacity of 4.7 GB, approximately 6 times more. And it is a high density storage device. Next concept is Blu-ray. It is advanced technology other than DVD. It used blue violet laser instead of red laser that is used in CD or DVD. And it can store data approximately up to 50 GB, approximately 6 times more than DVD. It means approx more time 6 than CD a DVD can store, approx 6 times more than DVD a Blu-ray can store. And next is pen drive or flash memory. So we can store data in TBs, we can store data 1 TB, GB, it's depend upon the capacity of pen drive. And the major thing, it is a plug and play device. When the user will plug into the system, it will start playing automatically. No specific software is required. And it start working when device is on. And it is best tool for transportation of data from one computer to another computer. Next is memory card. It is used to store data from digital camera or a mobile device. It is also known as plug and play device, and a user transfer data very easily by exchanging the memory card from one device to another device. Next is input device. Input device means that will help to input data in a computer system. A user can enter the input. A number of input devices are available like keyboard, mouse, trackball, scanner, webcam, digital camera, barcode, optical character reader, microphone. So first one is keyboard. A set of keys are positioned on a keyboard. And a keyboard include which type of keys? Numeric keys, functional keys, number keys, letter keys, special keys or arrow keys. I need not to tell, you know very well. Numeric keys like calculator 0 to 9, function key F1 to F12, number key 0 to 9, letter key small a to Z, and special key control, alt and so many are there. And arrow keys are your directional keys, navigation keys. Next is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It contains 2 or 3 buttons, and it controls cursor movement on the screen. And mouse can be either wired or it can be a wireless system. A wireless mouse works via using the radio frequency signals. Next is trackball. Trackball, it is a pointing device. It consists of a ball held by a socket containing sensor to detect the rotation of a ball. And the user roll the ball with the thumb, finger or the palm of your hand to move a cursor. Next is scanner. It is used to scan the document, and scanner is basically known as an input device. If it is 3-in-1 type scanner, then it can be input and output both type of device. And scanner scan copy in a digital image format, and scan copy can also be printed. And webcam, it is a real-time camera, and the image of webcam can be used for a World Wide Web. It means for data surfing, for video calling or instant messaging also. Digital camera, it is used to take the shots for the photograph, and these photographs can be directly transferred in a computer system from a mobile device by using a cable that is known as data cable, and these photographs can be edited with the help of editing software like Photoshop. Barcode reader, barcode reader is used to read the barcode printed on the various objects. For example, grocery store, department stores are using this such type of devices. Optical character reader OCR is used to translate the handwritten or typewritten text into the machine editable code. And online OCR can convert the PDF file in a Word file for editing the text. Microphone, it is also known as a mic or MIC, microphone. It converts sound in a electrical signals, and it is used in recording the tape or hearing the ads. It means for listening music or for recording your personal voice. MICR, the most important thing for a banking system, it is used to check the originality of paper document. What's the check we are using? It is original or fraud. We can check it with help of MICR. And they can identify characters printed with a special ink that contains particles of magnetic material. And this device is particularly used in banking industries, and the MICR system recognize only certain character styles the character have to accurately formed or not. Next is output devices. Output devices can be of two types, hard copy and soft copy output devices. Hard copy, it means the output cannot be changed. And the output device that are under hard copy are your printer and plotter. While the output devices under soft copy, it can be either your visual display unit, that is also known as VDU, or your monitor screen, or cathode rays tube, or flat panel display, and more it can be a speaker. What is printer? That will produce the output on a paper, and output generated by a printer is permanent on a paper. Before taking the printout, a user can change the setting of printer quality, quantity, paper size, and many more things. And printer can be classified in two categories, impact and non-impact. And printer is your hard copy device. After taking printout, a user cannot change in the output of same document. Impact printer, it operates using a hammer to strike a character against an inked ribbon. It is a ribbon based technology. A hammer is there, hammer will strike on the paper with the help of ribbon, and it works like a typewriter. An impact printer has so many disadvantages, like it's very slow, very noisy, and mechanical breakdown is very much. That's why the maintenance is very costly. And impact printer can be of three types: dot matrix, daisy wheel, and line printer. Dot matrix printer, it can produce the graphical image in addition to the text. It is the advantage. It is less expensive, and it can print up to 100 to 600 characters per second. And what is the disadvantage? It prints the data in the form of small dots. That's why text quality is very poor. Daisy wheel printer, it works on the basis of rotational wheel. It works on the basis of typewriter technology. A hammer strikes a wheel with a petal, and each petal contains a letter. A letter performs strike a ribbon of ink and deposit ink on the paper and print a character. It is similar as typewriter technology, and it can print up to 30 characters per second. Speed is very less. And line printer, it can print one line of text in the same time, one time. It is the fastest printer in the impact printer technology. It is used for bulk printing, and it can print up to 1200 to 6000 lines per minute, and it is used for professional printing. Next technology, that is non-impact printer. It is a high-speed printing technology which is not satisfied by the impact printer technology. So impact printer can be of dot matrix and daisy wheel, while non-impact can be like laser printer, thermal, or inkjet printer. So what is laser printer? It is the highest speed and best quality printer. It produces the image on paper by directing a laser beam at a mirror. And higher printing cost is there, that's why people are using less. And it can produce both colored and black and white printing. And it use the dry powder ink for printing on a paper. Next is thermal printer. You have seen on toll tax barriers. It is less expensive. It uses heat to transfer ink to the paper, and it can print color printout by using a colored ribbon. So it is based on the ribbon technology. An inkjet printer, it consists of nozzle to produce small ink of bubbles. These bubbles produce very tiny drops of ink and paste it on the paper. And it can produce different color drops. It is silent in working time. It means noise is very less and less printing cost either than laser and higher than thermal printer. And it has a disadvantage that page must be dry before handover. It means you need to wait for a paper after printing the document 5 seconds or 4 seconds. Otherwise ink will be ink will strike on the paper and it will spoil the output also. So you need to make it dry. Plotter, it is a vector graphics technology device that is used for printing the maps, charts and high quality printing. It prints their output by moving a pen across the surface of paper. And it can draw complex line arts but with slower speed. And it is used in creating pie chart, bar chart with a good quality. And it is used for professional purpose. Next is VDU, that is visual display unit. It is a device that can display signals generated by a computer systems. And pixel is the smallest part of your screen. And screen could be of two types. It can be either CRT, that is known as monitor or cathode rays tube, and second is flat panel display like LCD or LED. Next output device is, that is last output device, it is speaker. These are external output devices. It can generate signals in the waveform. It can be wired or wireless of both technology, and it is used to generate the output in the form of audio signals. Next topic is ports. So ports are the part of computer system that are used to connect the external devices to a computer systems, and these are the connecting points for various devices of a computer system. It is the back side of your CPU in which you are connecting the devices like keyboard, mouse. There are several types of ports like serial port, parallel port, USB port and AGP port, accelerated graphics port. Serial port, it is also called communication or COM port or RS-232 port, and it can transfer data serially a bit at a time. One bit can be transferred in one time. It need only wire to transmit of 8 bit, and they are in the form of 9 pin or 25 pin male connector. 25 pins are there for in case of printer and 9 pins are there in case of mouse or keyboard, and they are used to connect device like mouse, modem or printers. Parallel port, it is faster than serial technology. It can send or receive a byte at the same time. 8 bits can be transferred on same time, and 8 bits are transferred parallel to each other, and they are in the form of 25 pin female connector. They are used to connect printer, scanner, CD writer, pen drive, zip drive and so many devices. Sorry, pen drive cannot be connected. Next is USB, the specific device for pen drive. It is an interface for computer and consumer electronic device. And USB ports are used to connect USB devices and transfer digital data or CPU USB cables. And it can also supply electronic power across the cable to device that it needs. And the major thing, to connect the USB, we don't need any special power supply. It will take power supply from CPU directly. And they are used to connect printers, scanners, mouse and digital camera. It is also known as universal because it can connect approximately 56 to 60 devices with the same port. AGP, accelerated graphics port, it is used to connect the graphics card that provide high speed video performance required in games or other multimedia applications. It is the advanced technology device. and IR port, that is also known as infrared port, specially used in remote technology. It is a port which send and receive the infrared signal from other device, and it is same technology used to control a TV set with a remote control. And Bluetooth, it is used to interconnect mobile phones, computers and personal digital assistants using short range wireless connection. And it is only the device that can connect using the wireless technology within a limited area and without having any internet connection. And PS2, this is known as parallel serial port. It is a 6-pin connector. 5 pins are in the form of hole and 6 pin is in the form of rectangular shape. And PS2 personal system, why it is known as personal system? One port is used for keyboard and one is used for mouse. And it accepts PS2 cable with a mini data input connector and used to plug in a keyboard or mouse. And Firewire, it is a serial bus for connecting the devices to the computer system, and it is a single plug and socket connection, and in which we can connect up to 63 devices with data transfer speed of 400 MB per second. Dear students, if you are facing any problem in any topic from chapter 3, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can directly ask me by sending the message. So thank you. Have a nice day for this session. We will meet in next session with next and important video for chapter 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.